So what is vitalism? This definition states that it is the theory that the origin and phenomena of life are dependent on a force or principle distinct from purely chemical or physical forces. So basically, vitalism is referring to the force of life, and the ancient physician Hippocrates referred to this as the healing power of nature, and he described a medicine which was based upon working with this force. It's a very simple idea. So for example, if you cut your finger, you don't really need to do anything at all. Your body knows how to heal that spontaneously. Vitalistic medicine is the medicine that is aimed at supporting that natural healing process. Not trying to replace it or circumvent it, not forcing things to happen, not trying to suppress symptoms, but to access that healing power. And we've all experienced this in one way or another, whether it's with a cut finger or with a cold or flu. Somehow our body just knows what to do. You heal from physical traumas from this, but also emotional traumas and emotional wounds. It's the same force involved. That's the idea. This is fundamental to herbal medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, hydrotherapy, osteopathic medicine, traditional chiropractic medicine. All of these systems of healing are based upon vitalism. But we live in this time where everybody is really focused on the mechanics of the healing process, the mechanisms, the molecules, and the chemistry. But what I'm saying is there's something else. And if you don't understand that, whatever you may know about these healing therapies is just the tip of the iceberg. I got started on studying this aspect of medicine about 30 years ago when I first learned about the concept and saw some pretty amazing examples of how using natural therapies could help people heal spontaneously. So in this series of videos, I'm going to be primarily focusing on herbal medicine, hydrotherapy, a form of osteopathic manipulation called strain-counterstrain, as well as nutrition from a vitalistic perspective. None of the therapies I'll be talking about are new, and if you're interested in learning more about them, I can guide you to resources where you can study more. Truly, on any one of these therapies, you could spend a lifetime. But if you are a beginner to this, I think it's best to have an overview of all of the different systems available. And I'm putting this out there to anybody that wants to learn. If you're already working in the field of medicine, perhaps you have a license to practice medicine or in some allied healing profession, or perhaps you are just a community healer that isn't working professionally, but yet people are coming to you for healing. In any case, there will be things you can learn here about helping people heal themselves.